Friends, can you imagine an Axle traveling thousands of miles and speeding freely on the roads of the African continent? Our trailer axles have just fulfilled a repeat order from our long-term client in Kenya and are now crossing the ocean to their destination. Built to conquer tough roads, built to last, designed specifically for harsh road conditions, this axle has undergone numerous professional tests and practical verifications, offering exceptional load-bearing capacity no matter how heavy the cargo. It ensures smooth and stable operation, enhancing transport efficiency. Its outstanding durability allows it to handle complex road conditions commonly found in Kenya, such as potholes, muddy paths, and mountainous terrain with ease, significantly reducing the risk of breakdowns and maintenance hassles. In terms of design, we have fully optimized heat dissipation and braking performance even after long-distance journeys. It maintains stable operation, ensuring transportation safety. This trailer axle has earned high recognition from our long-term partners in Kenya, and their continued repeat orders are the best testament to its quality. Ready to elevate your transport business? If you're looking to take your transport operations to the next level, don't hesitate. Contact me directly on WhatsApp at +8618369989 for limited time offers you won't want to miss.